Well, I'm talking with Dr. Joe Dedrickson, who is a technical services veterinarian with Merial Animal Health, and we've been talking a little bit here. We're at the NCBA Summer Conference in Denver and talking a little bit about the effects of the drought and some of the implications for cow-calf producers who might be moving some calves earlier than usual and maybe not in the best condition, and how that could impact animal health and some management plans. So Dr. Dedrickson, I wonder if you could just kind of give us a little bit of background or a little bit of outline on how you see some of that shaping up.
Yeah, this is a year that's real critical for good management. You know, the drought has been extended over most all of our beef-producing states, and with that comes weaning these calves earlier, at younger weight, younger ages, and we're seeing nutritional stress as well as the stress of weaning. So we're seeing a lot of things that would not normally be done. You know, where instead of being another couple months and having that calf at 500 pounds and being over 6 months old, he's maybe 4.5 months and he's maybe 350 pounds. That adds a lot of stresses that reduce his ability to fight off respiratory disease. And so BRD, which is multiple viruses and bacteria, become a real serious problem.
So what should producers watch for or anticipate if they're looking at shipping calves either to a feed yard or to some maybe alternative grazing backgrounding situations, and if they need to treat, what are some of the considerations that they should look at then?
Yeah. Well, one of the things I always say about treating calves is beef and dairy products in the United States are two safest foods in the world. And that's what makes it exciting now. We've launched a new antibiotic, Zactran, here in the last year. And it's so important that producers, to keep our food as safe as it is, they use that right drug at the right time in the right way. And see, with the new antibiotics like Zactran here, we know so much more about that drug than we ever have before. And every label is a little different. Read those labels, because today we know exactly how long these products work, where they go on that, and how quickly they get there. And so it becomes very important because we can maintain that safest food in the world with these new products.
So the key is really to work with their veterinarians and then follow the label and use these products as they're directed to make sure that they get the most benefit for their money and keep that product working.
And that's always key. Make your veterinarian an important partner in your management team so you understand these drugs when you get a new drug like Zactran, how it's going to work and where it's going to work.